Hey guys, how's everyone doing? Hope everyone's having a good day out there, staying safe. So I got a pretty interesting thing that Honda is starting to do, and this could definitely help because if you guys are aware, a lot of the Honda and Acura vehicles are stolen on a regular basis. In fact, the TLX is one of the most stolen vehicles, and not just for their wheels. I mean, we all know that they steal all the wheels on a lot of cars, but they take the whole vehicle. They part them out and sell the parts off. But Honda has actually recognized this and actually doing something, and it's free. So let me go ahead and explain exactly what they just started doing. So like I said, you know that a lot of the Honda and Acura products are stolen. I mean, we know that the wheels have been stolen for a very long time and they sell them off. But the vehicles themselves are stolen, and particularly the 2020 to 2025 Honda Accord hybrid, and then the CRV and CRV hybrid in the same years. So not sure if it's easier to steal those particular years or they just want those vehicles. And we know the CRV and the Honda Accord, there's a lot of them out there, especially from that year, very popular. Like the 10th Gen Accord is one of the most popular vehicles they've made, so maybe that could be why too. But right now what Honda is doing, New York, particularly the Bronx or Queens, since that's where most of the vehicle thefts are occurring right now, they'll actually improve your stock alarm system for free. And here's a letter that somebody got that has a car registered in that area and has a 2021 CRV. So what it states is that Honda is aware of the high auto theft, particularly in this area. So they'll do a free product improvement for owners of these vehicles that are registered, to the Bronx or Queens. And what it says it will do is they'll do a procedure that'll make the vehicle's behavior change so that the security system will activate if the driver's door is opened or unlocked without actually using the key fob. So we know that they have a way to get into the car and open the car door. And some of the ways they do it mimic the key fob, so it wouldn't trigger the alarm. Well, they'll do an update that'll make it so if the door opens at all without your OEM key fob, the alarm will go off. So that's a pretty good thing just if you're running a stock system. And these are kind of the vehicles here. So we have the new Gen Accord and then the older CRV here in the picture. And like I said, they're aware of the big problem they have, and they know that if you buy a car and it gets stolen and it's one of the top stolen cars, you'll probably most likely go to a different vehicle instead of dealing with the problem of getting it stolen, trying to get an insurance payout and all that kind of hassle. So it's a pretty neat thing that they're actually aware of that. And then here's some pictures of the other vehicles. Of course, you have like my wife's CRV in the left-hand corner would be one of them if I lived over there. And then my old Accord that I had falls in line with that too. So it has to be registered in those two areas as of right now. There's no word if Honda's going to expand it. They just did this last week. So I would bet that since they're starting out to do this procedure, that it'll start rolling to different states as well, where there's high auto theft of their vehicles. Because like I said, if people just keep getting their car stolen, the same vehicles over and over, they're not going to buy that vehicle anymore, no matter how much you like it. You don't want to deal with always having to keep it in a garage or worrying if you park it down a certain street, it's going to be gone when you come back. So I thought that was interesting, and it's a good step. Like I said, if you don't have an aftermarket system or you don't have a kill switch, you just have a stock car, you're leasing it, or you just don't want to invest really much money into it, this is a great way if you live in those areas to add a little bit extra protection. At least the alarm will go off sooner, and so maybe you can stop it. So if you live in New York in those two areas, all you have to do is call your dealer and make an appointment. As long as you have, like I said, a 2020 to 2025 Honda Accord or hybrid, and then the 2020 to 2025 CRV and CRV hybrid. And they'll make you an appointment to get it fixed. They said that it takes about 30 minutes, so I can tell it's just a software thing. So I doubt they have to really take anything apart of your car. So it seems like a pretty easy fix, and maybe it'll help in those areas, only time will tell. And then if it's successful, I could see this being rolled out in other areas, like I said. So I just wanted to share the information with you guys. I thought it was pretty neat that Honda is stepping up and doing some countermeasures so people can actually keep their vehicles. We know, like I said, the TLX is the second most stolen car in the United States, which is surprising. And then we know the wheels, I mean, they get taken probably daily just around the United States. So if you haven't, like I said, I would definitely invest in an aftermarket system or kill switch if you're not included in this, just to help deter some thieves. Because, the last thing you want to do is have your car stolen, and then you try to buy a replacement, and with the price of things, it usually doesn't work out in your favor in the long run. So let me know in the comment section what you guys think of that. You think it's a thing that'll actually help, or is just something that Honda is doing that's kind of meaningless? I'd like to hear you guys' thoughts. So I hope everyone's having a good day out there, staying safe. I appreciate you guys as always, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.